In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in Wix Studio. This can be a fantastic way to make your website visually appealing and interactive. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Wix Studio editor. Within this editor, navigate directly to the page where you want to integrate your slider. It's crucial to have a clear vision of where you want the slider to be, because it'll help you ensure it integrates well with the rest of your page's design. Next, turn your attention to the left sidebar of the editor. This is your main hub for adding new elements to your page. You'll see various options here, but what we're looking for is the Add Elements section. Once you've located it, you'll want to click on it to expand the menu. As you can see, this section contains a range of elements you can add, from text boxes to media elements, but our focus today is on images. After you've clicked Image, you'll need to navigate to a subsection within this called Layout Tools. This section houses various preset layouts and design tools that Wix offers to streamline your design process. It's like a treasure trove of design possibilities, all waiting for you to explore. Within Layout Tools, you should see an option for Slideshow Repeater. This is what we'll be using to create your slider. The Slideshow Repeater is a powerful tool that not only allows you to add multiple images into a single space, but also lets users scroll through them effortlessly, providing a dynamic and modern look to your page. Take a moment to browse through the different design and style options available for the Slideshow Repeater. You're sure to find a design that matches your website's aesthetic. Once you've found a style that appeals to you, drag it onto your page. It's a simple drag and drop process, making it incredibly user-friendly. Now that you've added the slider to your page, the next step is to select it to start customizing. Click on the Slideshow Repeater to select it. This will bring up a range of customization options that you can use to tweak and fine-tune the slider's appearance and behavior. From here, you can alter the size, change the images, adjust transitions, and optimize the overall look to suit your design goals. This attention to detail makes Wix Studio a fantastic platform for users looking to create professional and polished web designs without delving into complex coding. And there you have it, a sleek interactive slider ready to enhance your website's visual appeal. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Adding elements like sliders can really elevate the user experience on your site, combining functionality with creativity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.